Try to do that. Thank you in morning, not morning. You will say the morning. Good morning, everyone. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Hi. How will you say? Hi. Not hi, hi, hi. Right? You will say hello, not hello, 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 hello. So that feel. If you are talking over and over, some people realize that oh, you have some actually girl, yeah, girlfriend, yeah, boyfriend, yeah, something actually. What are you doing in the mobile, right? So how can they actually look? The first thing is first. I would like to say that. और ये लोग कहते हैं अरे तुम्हारे सर हैं बतिया रहे कहें खूब बतियाइए फ़ोन पे राइट सो एक्चुअली दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो सकता है कि घर वाले फ़ोन करे भाई किसने बताया आपको फ़ोन पे बात करिए पता नहीं कौन लड़के से बार बार बात करता है Look, Hassan?
Hassan?
Who is Hassan?
Who is Hassan? I don't know.
You don't know me, bro?
No, right?
How, bro? How it's possible? Bro, in the past time I'll give you 10,000 rupees. You don't know me?
I forget because you.
Why are you forgetting? Because of every, Karjaman think.
I don't know Hassan Fazal. I don't know Hassan.
You don't know who is Hassan?
Yeah, bro.
That's all, bro. I'm not even.
और सही कर रहे हैं सर
You are.
How is your दूल्हा
How is your dula?
alright
Hi everyone. I welcome, congratulate everyone such a glorious, tremendous and fabulous session. In this podcast, actually this is the amazing, stunning, glorious, miraculous English podcast. In this podcast, exactly we are going to create, we are going to start, we are going to explore a amazing kind of class activity which develop enhance boost our communication skill interaction as well as how can we perform how can we talk effortless English language. That is why we are going to conduct a miraculous session. In this session we try to develop our communication skill interaction conversation public speaking English speaking spoken everything we gonna boost enhance ki how can we connect to anyone each other effortless in a easiest way. So in this class in this podcast in this activity really we perform lots of things lots of classes lots of ideas ki how can we improve develop boost our communication skill which is highly challenging daring for everyone. People they are lacking of public speaking spoken skill communication interaction they face they have embarrassment they have shy they are facing problem whenever they are connecting to people they stammer they stutter they fumble they stuck lots of crises they are facing. Everyone need communication skill whether student teacher customer shopkeeper politician judge liar everywhere we need communication skill. Speaking public speaking this is one kind of art. आज के सेशन में दोस्त I welcome very talented public speaker motivational speaker. So now I'm invite Mr. Hira Yadav sir. Please welcome today class. So firstly you tell me how do you feel in this podcast? Really I'm highly thankful you came here and you attend, you participated such a miraculous session. You gave your precious time. So thank you a lot. And so tell me how do you feel realized in this podcast? First of all, I would like to thank everyone who is standing here, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. I absolutely thanks by bottom of my heart and Mr. Hafiz sir to have invited me here and giving me chance to speak in front of you because is that I thought I'm not able to do this kind of sessions in front of anyone else, but today I'm getting kind of chances. So I'm really, really very glad to have you here. and hope so. I will give you something, some ideas and techniques to speak something about your languages, and you will speak very soon faster as well as you're speaking as well. I cannot say that you guys are working very hard and you're not speaking at all, but you are speaking, right? So I would like to contribute something from my side where you will speak very nicely. And I am really very glad with my bosom friend of officer, and he's my ride and die. So thank you so much for inviting me today. And at this session. Thank you, sir. Thank you for introducing yourself. Really, this is amazing kind of introduction. So the point, the idea we gonna learn, discuss are here. Really, this is highly effective, attractive. The idea is that so prevalent, so famous, popular among people. Everyone, they have mobile phone, they have Android phone, they are connecting to each other, they are talking to each other in the room, out of the room, in the jungle, in the kambal, everywhere people they are connecting to each other because they have Android and mobile phone. So today my communication podcast is totally, entirely, completely depend on mobile phone communication. How much effective, attractive, how can we actually develop, boost our communication by talking on phone, mobile. Everyone has using mobile phone. This is the world of mobile. We can say that here definitely, exactly, actually, absolutely. So today our entire discussion, argument, debate based on mobile phone, ki how can we develop ourselves with the help of mobile phone. Everyone they have mobile phone. I think that in a family we have 4, 3, 5 mobile phone. So tell me guys, everyone has mobile phone?
Yeah.
So you try to utilize your mobile phone in a right and accurate way, which can give you much more right advantages, benefit. So my first question is that, sir, ki how important mobile phone communication skill, as well as how can a student he can develop his communication skill, conversation, interaction by talking on mobile phone. So please elaborate what is the advantages of connecting to each other on mobile phone. So please clarify, justify ki how important communication with the help of mobile and Android phone. Yeah, that is really very amazing question I have got there here. How can we learn this language or any kind of language by mobile phones, right? So as you can realize it in your life, most of the time we are expending our time on the mobile phones rather than your friends, your family, your own life. Even though we do not have life, we do not have time to sleep. Wow, 8 hours, which is required for the scientists in your life, right? So we are expending our mobile phone, our time with mobile phones, and we can utilize those time with mobile phone to learn this language, and that's a very amazing kind of way where you can take it and you can get it as well. But the things is that people are not concentrating, they are not focused on their purpose, what they want to do. They're just flushing down any kind of way, or they're just flooding in the rivers or flooding in the anywhere else, and they're not, they're more distracted. So I want to tell that the English learning is not kind of things which is you have to talk about the topics, which is you have to talk about the debates. English learning would be more easier when you will use your mobile phone to do conversations, because debate is also connected with conversations, right? And conversation is also connected with topics as well. When you will talk on mobile phone, so you will talk every single day, day to day sentences, right? Every day needed sentences, and every day needed sentences will boost your power, immunity, your system, your confidence, your labels, right? So you will do more better than this. So I will tell that how can how mobile can change your life, really. So how can you, suppose that you are going somewhere else and you don't know how to ask somebody some directions where to go, or how to ask people, listen to me, how can you say that? Hello, excuse me. How can you say that? Hi, excuse me. Or how can you say that? Hello, hey, hi, could you listen to me? These basic sentences, a lot of people who have been learning and who have been expanding their sentence, their lives in the institute, they don't know how to speak it. They do not start from hey, hi, hello, a thank you or good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So if you will start by this, so you will get some guts in your hearts. And when you will get it, so you will speak very easily. So mobile conversation is the best way to learn any kind of languages because rarely people speak on the topics and they're not going to be professor. They're not going to be any kind of literatures, right? What they want to be? They want to do the day-to-day conversation in the company, day-to-day conversation in the friendship, day-to-day conversation in the families, right? So focus on more on day-to-day conversations. Every single day conversation where you will get a lot of confidence on yourself. When your confidence will be high, your catching power will be more high. When your catching power will be more high, you will do more better than before. So focus on mobile conversations and start with easy talking with your friend, your teachers, and be in discipline, man. If you are in discipline, everything can be settled by you. If you're not disciplined, nothing can be. Nothing is possible in the world. So mobile conversation is the easier but more tougher as well because that needs a lot of confidence and guts. How do you perform? How confident are you? How you are showing yourself in front of somebody else? So we should try for mobile conversations, and which is we have been doing. The most important things, we are blaming and excusing ourselves. Our partner is don't know how to talk on the mobile phone or you don't know how to talk in English, right? So that is the excuse, not the reality. If he's not talking, he's not understanding, that is his problem and her problem, not your problem. You must try because it's your intention, your destinations where you want to achieve. So try it with your friends and you will achieve very easily. And today in this sessions, we will try with you. How can we talk on mobile phone? How can we start? And try to polish all the words while talking because as much as you will receive, as much as you will repeat the sentences, that will be more flexible in your life. Like when you say that, thank you, I will say that, thank you. 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 Not thank you, that is called thank you. You will say that, see you soon, right? I said, see ya. So when you will repeat again and again, again and again, again and again, over and over, over and over, the things will be yours and much more easier. You will not lose a lot of sounds. You will not lose a lot of effort. You will not lose a lot of energy. You will not lose a lot of immunity power. You will say everything and work will be done. So try to do that. Thank you. Good morning, not morning. You will say the morning. Good morning, everyone. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Hi. How will you say? Hi. Not a hi, hi, hi. Right? You will say hello. Not hello, 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 hello. So that feel really we are not authentical teacher. We are the not native persons when we say the hello, hello. No. It is not say. How will you say? No. Naki? No, 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 no. Right? So you have to straight the words where the syllables is. You have to understand. When you do more practice, you will listen, you will talk, you will try, then things will be more easier. Try every single day. And mobile conversation is the best way to learn yourselves. I think so. And I have done it and I have been doing as well by this way. And I think it is giving me a lot of knowledge and confidence as well to myself. Thank you so much. Oh, I really. Oh, guys, you got everything. Everything. How can we improve, develop our communication skill with the help of mobile phone? Really, this is so simpler and easier. It's a piece of cake. Easily we can apply in our life. Now, practically we try to apply here. How can we do? How can? Next, one more question I want to ask you, sir. Generally, normally, students they are facing problem when they are going to connect to stranger people. After asking them, oh, hello, how are you, what's your name, introduction, now they are completely over. Oh, so how can we make lengthy our communication? Even how can we connect to stranger people for a long time a period? Where what kind of things? How can we elaborate? How can we connect more? What kind of topics point we should notice while talking, while communicating on mobile phone? All right. Yeah, that is also very amazing question. Since I started to learn this language, I was also getting stuck in this way, which is Abhisar is mentioning in front of me. My sound is not too much loud, where I can talk very fast. Because if I talk very fast, so I cannot talk too. So please, if you focus on my sound, so you can hear that. Otherwise, you can't, right? So when after some greetings, right, people think it, I am just done, right? I'm over. Your sound is not much louder, but your sound is extremely melodious, mellifluous, and sweet, and really very instruction. Thank you for his. So some, you know that after some greetings, we get stuck. Our conversation get over, and we started waiting. The opponent will speak, then I will speak. Whatever he will ask, I will ask it, right? It will happen, my dear. It is not the process of 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day. It is the process of consistency, constant of persevere, right? When you will stuck and you will go with persevere, so you will do that. Otherwise, it is not happening. Because the human mentality is that they do whatever makes them happy, whatever makes them entertaining, whatever makes them too much joyful, right? That is they do. And in the learning, in the beginning, from the word go, you will not learn, you will not take interest. Yeah, the extending conversation is kind of also skills. How can I extend the conversations? How do you try in Hindi? You have to try also in English as well. You cannot tell that I don't know how to speak. I don't know grammar. I don't know vocabularies. I don't know how to talk it well. How can I select them? How can I list them? These are the excuses. When you make the way to get the things will be your. And you have to go every single day. How the peoples are going in the gym to make the muscles. They're not going to make the muscle for 1 day. How you clean your teeth, shiny teeth, right? How do you make that? Every single day, 5 minutes, early morning and in the evening as well. These will be okay. So like English is also like that. You have to expend 10 minutes every single day or 20 minutes every single day. Listen, guys, carefully listen. And there is plenty of mediums to do that on social media, in your friendships, or you can join any kind of institute or any kind of Instagram, Telegram, or any kind of groups as well, where you can talk something, where you can express some thoughts of yours, some topics of yours, and start with hi and hello, right? And you can do that. So it is the things which is Hafiz sir is saying that the after some greeting, after some hi and hello, or hi, how are you, and I'm fine, they get stuck, right? So why? Because they never tried before. They are going to pull the all water from the ocean, right? In 1 day, in 1 hour, in 5 minutes. How is it possible? Can you suck all the water from the ocean? No, you cannot. If you want to dry the ocean, so you have to pull the 2 bucket water every single day. And it will take as much as water is in the ocean, as much effort from yourself as well. So you cannot do that. We are going to jump into the ocean of language, English language. So how can you learn in 1 or 2 days or 5 or 6 minutes? That is impossible. Do it every single day, 10 to 20 minutes. And slowly you will get that I am something in this language. When you will feel I am something, so you will work hard more. When you work hard more, you will get it. Otherwise, things will be very, very difficult. You seem to be. All right, staying readable. So the point which should be noted here, कि we must have perseverance, endurance, patience, creativity ourselves. We should be regular each and every single day. In 5 to 10 minutes, we should connect to anyone on phone. By this activity, it will take time. It will take time, but one day you realize that really I did something great. I achieved something amazing in my life. You start feeling, realizing ki really these kind of things very effective, attractive to develop and also to make powerful. Because we all dawdling our time on the mobile without reason. Unwanted, unnecessary, awkward things we are doing here. We are doing here. One more questions that I will ask you, which is clicking in my mind. All right, this is very funny and hilarious question. Is that कि student they are very young. It might be that if you are going to suggest any kind of application where they can connect. This is my third question, where they can connect. Well, lots of application actually we have which we need to download in our mobile, then we can connect. And one thing also, you have to guideline them, you have to hinder them कि they should make friendship. There are many students, they start talking, after that they feel कि they are girls, she is girls, now they start making friendship, they start talking to more, they start making actually family right now. So if they are making to friendship, this is the good. Yeah, not. Yeah, they should only connect themselves as a learning purpose, not making any kind of relationship. All right. Yeah, I got it. Thank you so much for asking this kind of questions, you know. And how will you actually guide them to? Hey, listen, guys, not you guys are really teenagers, right? And because sir, होता क्या actually what happened, कोई मीठा मीठा बतिया दिया, अम्मी बतिया दी, वो भी बतिया दिए, और मामला मतलब थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ जाता है, तो लोग को लगता है कि actually यही सब हम दोनों लोग सब कुछ हैं, actually this is this kind of thing. So how can we avoid, how can we maintain, how can we man, all right? So how can they avoid, how can they avoid means ऐसा नहीं कि उनसे connect भी हम बात करें भी, और लेकिन थोड़ा सा दूरी बनाए रखें कि yeah, the first learning languages, right? It's kind of because here our motive just we want to develop, you know, that we want to make any kind of relation, we want to make friendship here. I understood his intent, because generally जो mentality है, people mentality in our area, especially rural areas, villager area, if someone connecting to each other over and over, people realize that they have some kind of problem, they have actually they are talking to any, they're in the intimacy. Yeah. If you are talking over and over, some people realize that, oh, you have some actually girl, yeah, girlfriend, yeah, boyfriend, yeah, something actually, what are you doing in the mobile, right? So how can they actually learn? First thing is first, I would like to say that. अरे लोग कह देंगे अरे तुम्हारे सर हैं बतिया रहे, कहें खूब बतियाए फोन पे, राइट? सो एक्चुअली दिस काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो सकता है कि घर वाले फोन करे, भाई किसने बताया आपको फोन में बात करिए, पता नहीं कौन लड़के से बार बार बात करता है. Look, you will do good, people will say. You will do bad, people will say. Pros and cons is a part of lives, right? So we should be intentional. What is your intention? For wonder, for what you are wondering, that intention should be in your brain, right? Why you are coming, that is first. And with whom are you, that is second. Right. You are coming here to learn language. I am sitting somebody else. That is second things, because he is here. Because of that, that is why I'm here. So wherever you are going, make a friendship. That is okay. But you should not forget it for what I have started my journey. If you left those things, leave those things, that things will be not yours. Your friend will be yours. Right. So first be intentional and try to do what you are started. That is first thing. And second thing, I want to tell that don't be addicted of one person. Right? I would like to give this example, right? You have been listening him since long time, since you started your journey, and you guys are understanding fabulously to him, right? But I came after a long time. Might be somebody is looking me first time, somebody is second time, third time, and you will feel awkward how he's talking and what the hell is he talking about, right? So when you will do conversation and interact new kind of persons, so you will realize it, same language we have been speaking, but everybody is speaking different slangs, different talks, different words, different vocabularies, different intonation, different pronunciation, right? So you will get shocked and you will learn, and your enthusiasm will boost every single day. Yes, I have to do more, I have to do more, I have to do more, I have to do more. But if you are getting addicted with one person, what will happen? You will always under the pressure of society, because society doesn't make by one people. Does it? No, doesn't, right? So how can you understand that one person can make you complete person, complete language speaker? That is not. So you have to interact different kind of persons, whether it's logical, physical, or you are going to social, are you going on social media? that doesn't matter. But you have to see other kind of people, other society kind of people, where you have to understand their languages, what kind of pronunciation they have been speaking, how they have been speaking, what is the vocabulary is, what is idiom is, what is phrasal verb is, what is expression is. Then you can do that. Otherwise, the things will be difficult and you will always get bothered by that things. So try to make a lot of people. Don't make one particular people, individual people, friend in your life. Yeah, make them, leave them, expend your time, that is okay. But going social media, making friend, killing your time, chanting, talking about rubbish things, that is not gonna work off your life. That is absolutely going to ruin you. Right? If you want to ruin your life, so that is okay. But if you want to grow and bloom in your life, so you have to avoid those kind of people who's trying to lust you to live forever for myself with myself. So don't try to do that and interact many kind of peoples. That is why I'm here to interact in front of you guys, where I will eliminate my hesitations and I will find myself more confident, right? So that is one thing. Don't get addicted by one. If you are success, lots of will come behind yourself. So when you will make yourself valuable, people will pay the money without taking any kind of classes. When you are not valuable, you will give your time, they will not pay any kind of thing. So value will come when you interact a lot of people and you will evaluate yourselves rather than others. So evaluate yourself a lot. People will come to you, respect them, talk to them, help them, but don't be addicted of anyone else. Addiction is that kind of intoxication. Intoxication is a cause of injurious to health. So don't lose your health, otherwise things will be gone. All right. Wonderful. Okay. I have also multiple questions, but I want to avoid here because the things which we should start practical. Something I want to show here practically. How can we perform? How can we do this kind of activity, right? Where more chances you also guys can practice here. You can come here. So now the number come, guys, 2 students. They have to come here. Now they have to perform practically. How can we connect on mobile phone to each other? Whatever you know, already you connected many people, multiple people on mobile phone. But here you try to English, hello, all right, what's your name, how are you, nice to meet you, whatever activity you know, you try to do. If you are making mistake, I try to assist you, cooperate you, you can perform, you can develop, you can do this one, you can apply it, all right? Which is it? Hello. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning. How? How did you call? Actually, sir, my name is Sira Yadav. Oh, and I belong to Achalpur Saramir Azamgarh. I have saw your poster on the pole of Saramir, and I saw that the advertisement you teach English and computer. Yeah, right. And so I had called you, and I have been calling you for just inquiry. And what do you teach, and how do you teach, and what is the time of your batches? All right. So please, sir, could you tell that how much charges would you take if a person are taking a kind of admission to you? Yeah, all right, all right. So listen, Mr. Hira Yadav, actually, I am teaching actually here English as well as computer well. And my classes start from 7 morning to evening 6 evening. And if you want to take admission, so here actually I am teaching lots of batches, offline as well as online. All right. And you can visit on YouTube, where you can watch how am I teaching, how is my teaching style. If you want to attend any kind of demo classes, so really I uploaded more than 300 video where you can visit, you can enjoy, you can watch. As well as if you want to take demo classes, so one day I can provide you here and you can attend. But if you are going to attend these classes, after completing these classes also you will have to take admission here. This is my discipline rule here. And lots of students actually we are training here. We are teaching English as well as communication, interaction, interview classes, and also lots of activity we are doing here on my coaching. And if you want to learn English and computer, so here you can get more benefit, because in a very less pieces here my fees charges is that 400, 500 English, and English and computer both is that 800. If you want to make for lifetime package, if you want lifetime package, so really this is so cheap. Total 6,000 you have to pay. This is the lifetime package of English as well as computer. Can you guess how amazing? That's really great, sir. Thank you. I will find you area. I will meet you tomorrow, and thank you so much for. Thank you. Thank you for calling me.
Hello.
Hello, brother.
Hello. Your voice is not clear.
Yeah, brother. I speak loudly, brother.
I can call you again.
Yeah.
Okay, let me.
Your voice is, I think, not clear, bro. Can you call again?
Okay, I call you again.
Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm at coaching my brother.
In the I'm not getting your sound actually, my brother.
But bro, I speak. How I don't know how you not get my sound.
Because I think in your phone network is not available.
If you are not if you are not get my sound, how do you talk to me? How you talk to me?
I will call you back.
Could I call you back?
Could I call you back?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Okay, let me call you back.
You'll call me.
But now the sound is okay.
Yeah.
Don't cut the call. Don't cut the call. Right?
Hello.
Yeah, brother. Yeah, I listen your sound, bro. I'm able to listen your sound.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, brother.
That's enough. By the way, who are you?
I'm Hassan. I'm your friend.
Hassan? Who is Hassan? I don't know.
You don't know me, bro?
No, bro.
How, bro? How it's possible? Bro, in the past time I'll give you 10,000 rupees. You don't know me?
I forget because your
Why are you forgetting? Because of every, Karjaman.
I think your money is spent. That's why I forget you.
What are you saying, bro? Can you speak loudly?
I think your money is spent. That's why I forget you.
Why are you forgetting me? Please
Come up again.
come up again.
Hello. Bolo.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Are you there?
Hi there. Sir.
10,000 दिए थे याद था हाथ पैर जोड़ रहे थे अब फोन किया पैसा लेने के लिए नहीं दे रहे हो What
I don't know, my brother.
You don't know Hassan? Who is Hassan?
I don't know who is Hassan.
Why not,
You are talking
brother?
about
You are
yourself.
Aqib?
You are-
Abdi?
Shahid.
Shahid? Speak, continue.
Hello, brother. I'm Hassan. You don't know me.
No, brother, I forget
In the
you.
past time, I'll give you 10,000 rupees so you know me. In the current time, you forget me. How, bro?
My brother, I think that's why you give me. It's spent. That's why I forget you.
Okay, I forget about that. I'm Hassan. You think
I don't know any Hassan Hassan.
I don't know who is Hassan.
you don't know who is Hassan?
Yeah, brother.
नहीं जानता
That's all, bro. I'm not able.
और सही कर रहे हैं सर
Bolo. Hey.
Hi.
Hi, Nick. Hey.
Hi, Nick.
I'm
Hey.
not listening to you.
I not listen to you.
I'm not listening
I'm not
to you.
listening to you.
I am not listening
Please
to
repeat
you.
your point.
Speak again.
Again.
Please speak again. How are you today?
Oh, you're asking how I am?
I feel over the moon.
पूछ रही मैं कैसी हूँ?
I am over the moon.
Over the moon I
How
am.
you, by the way?
How
How you, by the way?
I'm pretty well.
Oh, now you got
Where are
married.
you from? Where are you from?
I am from Cochin.
Okay.
I am in the coaching.
I'm
I'm in
the
a
coaching.
coaching. Okay.
How's your health?
How is your health?
पढ़ाई थोड़ी बात
How's your
करो।
health? आपकी तबीयत कैसी है?
कैसे बोलेंगे? Oh, health.
Everything is okay.
I am health.
Everything is okay.
Everything is okay.
How is your health in your members in your
How
family?
is your family?
How's your family?
My family,
My family,
father, my
my
mother,
father, family,
they are
father,
really
mother, they are
so
really
good,
so
so
good,
healthy,
so
by grace of God.
By grace of
How
God.
many members in your family?
My family background is 8 member.
8 members. Okay. Who is in your family members? कौन है आपके परिवार में?
Mother,
Who are they?
हाँ.
Who are they in your family?
mother, fathers, and 4 brothers and 1 sister.
Now
And
I'm asking you. Hey, I have one question. Can I ask that?
I am one.
Hey, कैसे बोले?
Hey,
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 I have one question. Can I
one
ask?
question.
Can I ask?
Can I ask
Okay,
you?
you ask me one question.
How did your
can ask
marriage?
me.
How was your marriage?
How did you?
How was your marriage?
How was your marriage?
My married 7 May.
ओहो, तुमने शादी कर लिया, बताया भी नहीं.
You didn't invite me. क्या कहेंगे?
You didn't invite me. Why?
You didn't
You
my.
did not invited me.
You did not invite you.
I forget you.
What you
this time.
forget?
Sorry, my sister.
What
Silly friend.
forget?
How will you say? Silly friend you are.
Sleep friend are
You are.
you
Okay,
are.
how is your dulha?
How is your dula?
How's your groom?
All right.
My hubby is very well and pretty well.
Aisa.
Aisa.
He is handsome.
He is handsome.
Is it love marriage, arranged marriage?
He is love marriage and
Which
arranged
was? Which
marriage.
was love
Arranged
marriage?
marriage.
It was love marriage or orange marriage?
It was love
Love marriage, arranged marriage.
Arranged marriage.
You was lucky girl.
You are lucky girl.
Thank you so much, my sister.
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, bro. And you?
I am fine.
Where are you?
Where are you from, brother?
I am from coaching. And you?
Yeah, I am this time in this coaching.
I am waiting for you.
Okay, brother.
Hello, are you listening?
Hello, are you listening?
Voice is not coming.
Voice is not coming.
Hello, are you there?
Hello, are you there?
Hello, are you listening? Are you there? Hello, are you listening? Are you there?